Now, once again, this was a small ride. We didn't go very far. In fact, it was a whole 57.2 miles. We took off over here where the great outdoors is, pretty much four-laned it all the way up here. Then we started zigzagging just to get some back roads in. And I think right in here, the road we wanted to do, right about there was a truck that was on fire, and I didn't get all the video of that, but you can see the smoke in the background. We had to turn around, come up here, and then go up here, 441. Then we continued our ride. But had a great time in Bryson City. And where is Bryson? Right there. Had a great time there. And then we headed back, and we've hit 28 so many times now. That 28 is one beautiful road. Alright, on with our video. Now right there in the background you can see the smoke. Well, that was some kind of truck that was burning. We had to turn around and go back. Now when we got on this road, I kept seeing these streaks of where they spilt like 5 or 6 gallons of water, and I was wondering, could that be a fire truck? It was. Now here we're coming into Bryson City. Man, this is one nice little town, and I got a buddy of mine, Chris, who I know one day will be living up here. Now, one thing we always do when we make these trips, we're always checking out everybody's website. And once again, this is the website for Bryson City, and as you can tell, it's quite big. There's a lot of info here. Marcia, where are you at? Tell us about it.
Bryson City, North Carolina. Where are you at, Mike?
Bryson City on the bridge in North Carolina. See any gators? No. Like I said, this is one neat little town. And from the campground to Great Outdoors, it isn't that long of a ride. And we always try making a ride out of something. You seen this one was only what I said, 51 miles. So if we went straight there and straight back, I mean, what are we talking about? Maybe 25 miles. They have just opened up a Harley shop here. When we got off the bike, one lady asked us, "Are you going to the Harley shop?" I said, "We are now." I didn't know they had opened up a shop. Now it's mostly t-shirts and stuff like that. And it's a neat little store, but it isn't a place where they sell motorcycles or anything like that. But I'm trying to think. I don't know if I got a shirt here or not. I know we got a poker chip, that's for sure. Yeah, babe. Hi. Yeah, darling. Ching, 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 ching. Yeah, I like that. Go ahead and show me some skin.
Go get yourself a shirt.
I am. And there we found a Choose Your Ranger. Now, I gotta say, they did have a pretty good selection of t-shirts. I had to stand there a while and check them all out. I do believe I got one. I'm not sure now. Then we left the Harley shop and it was time for us to get something to eat. Well, after we got something to eat, we ended up walking back outside, finishing walking around Bryson City. Hey, this is also the place they got the highway to nowhere. Neat little place we had visited last year. Hold on. Oh. Well, I seen that with Chris saying Calhoun something, but it was a bed and breakfast.
This says a Calhoun House Hotel.
You don't see a 110 on the door, do you?
What was the name? What was the street?
Well, then we continued to play tourist, and then soon it was time for us to head back to the great outdoors. This Highway 28 coming from Franklin. Well, right now we're going towards Franklin. It is a nice road. Enjoy it. Comfortable pace.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?